Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a 2017 bike check. So here we go, starting from the top, got ODR long necks, ODR bar rings of course. S&M Hoda bars, 9-inch rise. Cut them down to 27 wide. I think they're 27 wide. Redneck extra light stem, FSA headset. S&M extra light forks. Then we got a 2.3 fit tyre on a Revenge rim, and that's just a Revenge wheel set, came with the fit. So this is a Fit Benny 2 2013 frame. It was a complete, still perfectly fine, no cracks, no nothing. Ridden it since 2013. Then I got Primo Power by cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Shadow Conspiracy Serpent sprocket, then a KMC golden chain, fit pivotal seat post, and then Stranger tribal pattern seat, I think it is. Can't remember, but awesome seat. Then I got another Fit 2.3 on the back, on another Revenge wheel. Broke a spoke recently, so rusty, but I mean they still go round. Then I got two Salt Plus pegs, and then I got a G-Sport Uniguard, and then a G-Sport MK5 maybe, something like that. It's pretty good. I mean, they protect it, so it's all good. Then I got two Kmart lights because riding at night you need lights. Got two gold bullet shells. Yeah, good ads. So that was, pretty sure that's all. Gonna go get some clips now. That was my 2017 bike check. Hope you enjoyed.